We can carry 6 comfortably, 7 really snugly, and plus 2, plus a pilot, so 8 altogether. I would say venture most of the time we'd fly with 5 or 6 passengers. I'm sitting here at what's called the Observer Trainer Station, and this unit is the housing for the trainer, so he can have a view of the mapping display that's on board, and also he's got a control panel here for the radios, so he can select or deselect any of the 7 radios that are on board to listen to. And while he's conducting training, or if we're overflying a natural disaster or something that requires large observation from the air, this is a perfect place to do it. Got this large cabin window to see out of, and this observer station, it shows a map, topographical maps, street maps, so the situational awareness available by the technology in here is first rate. The onboard mapping system is the Avalex mapping system, and it's the same system that we have in the helicopters. And so you map using that. It's a GPS driven system, and that's what we use to map whatever perimeter it is that we're trying to map, be it water or a fire perimeter or an earthquake, what have you. All right, what we have here is the latest avionics suite that you can get for this type of airplane. The pilot instrumentation and the engine instrumentation is created by a company called S-Tech. It's a magic system. It's all EFIS, it's electronic flight information systems, and it's also got a Garmin full navigation and hazard suite. So we have terrain avoidance information, we have weather information, we have other aircraft avoidance information, lightning strike information, thunderstorm, radar, and XM satellite weather. So we can get weather reports at any airport in the United States right through this system. It's configured with an autopilot, and it's totally single pilot IFR certified, so we can fly in any weather. This is the pilot's primary flight display, PFD. That's the primary navigation display. That's the autopilot controller. That's a Garmin GNS 530W for WAS, GPS NavCom, and that's a 430 GPS NavCom. That's the transponder. Those are the 2 engine displays. That's a Garmin GMX 200 multifunction display where we have all the maps, all the approach charts for every airport in the United States. That's where we get the weather for any airport in the United States, and it's an awesome tool. Those are the 2 tactical, FM1, FM2, and that one's FM3 down there. Those are the 2 tactical AM radios down there. So all this is for the ATGS will be sitting over here. And he's also got the pilot and nav displays on this side. And in addition, there's an arm that will attach right here that comes straight up, and there'll be another Avalex map screen right here that they'll be able to use for their topograph. So basically they've got a workstation that goes from their right shoulder here all the way down and around. That's about as aerodynamic as we can make it for this cockpit, because it's not real big, but it's a pleasure to fly. All the information is there to make it a safe flight and give you all the information you need to make intelligent decisions about what you're doing.